So when we look at the syllabus, the first one is the understanding or designing the solution for the business requirement. And we know the business requirement is to decrease unplanned vehicle downtime to less than 1 week without increasing the cost of carrying surplus inventory. Support a dealer network more than data on how the customer use their equipment to better position the new product, and have ability to partner with different companies, and it is like upselling and cross selling and all of that, right? The first point is business use case and product strategy. We understand business requirement, we understand cost optimization, and this particular cost optimization is not your cloud infrastructure cost. You need to make sure that you understand it, right? And this is your inventory cost optimization. So if you know better, you're not going to require say 100 parts of say XYZ number, right? Then you will not store it, right? And that's how you can optimize the cost. The cost optimization in the cloud environment is you need to make sure that the infrastructure is scalable. That is fine, but you are not provisioning additional resources, and you are using the cloud resources very optimally. Supporting the application design, integrate with external systems, how you are integrating with the external system. And in current requirement now, you need to integrate your connected devices with the cloud, proposed cloud solution. You need to make sure that you understand it. Movement of data, how you are transforming or taking the data from those devices and uploading that into the cloud solution, right? How you are moving that particular data, whether you need one-time transformation or movement of data could be like existing. You have an existing environment and then you have around 60 or 70 or 100 terabytes of data. How you're taking the data into Google Cloud Platform if you decide to move to Google Cloud Platform, right? Whether it is a hybrid environment or whether it is one-time migration, you need to make sure that you have solution to move the data. Design, decision and trade-offs, build versus buy versus modify. And this is where you need to understand that whether you are enhancing existing application stack in your own data center, or you are actually taking it into a Google Cloud Platform. That is one trade-off. Second trade-off could be application level or capability kind of trade-off, wherein you have some of the cloud capable companies and they are offering connected devices, connected cards or connected equipment kind of services, and you want to just use that, right, as a managed service, as a software as a service or as a managed service, either of that. So you should be able to make those decisions understanding your use case. In this particular case here, for TerraMarth, they know that they have the software which is running and they want to make sure that they are using. It's not like make sure, they will want to take that software or the implementation into Google Cloud Platform with changes, application level changes and strategy level changes. But they have the solution and they know what they are doing it, right? They don't have to buy it from anyone else. How they are going to measure it, how they are going to measure the KPIs. Now we have some level of indicator or some level of reports here. So we should be able to process the data within 1 week once it arrives to your analytics platform. So that is what the SLA is. Compliance and observability, I'll not talk about this one right now because it is not that much important. Let us move further on the technical requirement and understand what could be our technical requirement, even though it is not clearly given as a technical requirement for this particular case study.